Aloha everyone, this is Tiare. I just want to show you my package that I got from Sticker Meal. I've done stickers in the past of all my drawings, and they had some exciting offers for sticker packs. So what I did was do 6 of my drawings. They put it in a pack for you like this, and I'm selling these now. I think I might put it on Etsy, or I might link it up to my Square. But there's 6 stickers in here with all the different musicians that I've done. I will kind of put a picture of those 6 stickers. If you guys are interested, let me know, and I'm going to sell it for $15. And if I can find the link, I'll attach that. Aloha.